Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up KeyAuth and C# window form. It's really easy. I'm going to go through this as quick as I can, but thorough as I can. If you need any help, I'll leave the link to the Discord down below and you can join it. Alright, so first thing is you want to create your new project. Once you have it created, you want to come over here, right click, come down to add, and then form. I'm just going to call it form 2, and this is what will open if it logs in successfully. Now what you want to do, come over to the toolbox, and you want to get a text box, just one, and a button. Don't need to do that. Make this a little bit longer. This as well. You're going to name the button login. We don't really need to rename it, but we can. And then click on the text box, and you're going to name the text box key box or whatever you would like to, honestly. Then you're going to come back over here. You're going to right click, come down to add, come to class, and you're going to have the class called KeyAuth.cs, just like that. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to github.com/KeyAuth/KeyAuth-C# example. I will leave this down in the description so you can easily have it. Once you get here, you're going to want to click on code and then download a zip. I already have it downloaded. So once you open it up, you want to click on WinForm example and then open up loader.sln. Now that is open. This is what it will be. It will not be like that. This is the one it will be. When you come in here, you're going to open up KeyAuth, Control A and then Control C to copy all of it. Then you're going to want to go back to yours, KeyAuth.cs, Control A and then Control V. And we'll paste it in. If you do get an error for some reason and it's around like here, all you have to do is copy this, right click, come down to manage new git packages, make sure that your package source is set on all. Paste this into browse and then click that and then install it. Really easy if you do have an error. Now that this is set up, we can close out of that. We're going to double click the login button, come back over to the example. We're going to come down here and get the code for the login button. Go back over to your project, put that in, and we need a few more things. Go back to the example. You're going to copy these static strings, go back to yours. You can paste them anywhere. I'm just going to do it down here. And then you're going to copy this one line of code, go back to yours, paste it as well. And we don't really need that. Now that you have this, we're going to log into the site to get the name, owner ID, and the secret. So let's go to the site. It will bring you over to licenses. The name is the name of your application that you want to use. My application is called YouTube Testing. So we will go over, put the name in. We're going to get the secret next because it's right underneath it. And then we're going to get the owner ID, which click over here, top right, click on account settings, and then copy that. Put your owner ID in here. Now if you get error down here, this is all you have to do is change the name of that to whatever you named this text box. And then I'm going to have it show form 2. I'm just going to name this F2 just because F2 is better. If you want to, you can have a message box. So you don't really need this if you're not opening up another form. You can just have the message box, or you can have it either way, and then a message box to show if it did not work. Real simple. And the last thing I almost forgot to do, we need to make sure that we are using KeyAuth. Really simple, no errors. I'm going to save that. We're going to start it. Now we're going to go back to the website. Come up to licenses. We're going to create a key. Default. I don't like how long it is. Add. 1. Add that. It will be copied to the clipboard, or if you actually want to see it, it will be right here. Now you go to your tool. You can paste it in. And just to show you, that's the key, but if I type like 1, 2, 3, it's going to give me an error. So if I put in the actual key, it's going to open it up. And that's pretty much it. Now, real quick, if you do come over to the example, there are a few other things that you can do. You can set up the webhook. Tells you how to, really nice and easy. How to set up downloads. How to get the var over variable. And the register and login functions, but these are still in beta, so they probably won't work. But yeah, everything else is set up for you already. Again, I will leave the link down for the Discord and the example down in the description, as well as the website. That's really it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.